Hey everybody, my name's Justin Musmurray from TMT at McGrath Estate Agents, and welcome to 15 Porteus Road down here at Withcott. I've had the privilege of growing up on a mini acreage like this, and let me tell you, for the family, you couldn't do any better for them. It's a beautiful property to raise a family, and there's oodles to do. Dam at the front, room for a couple of horses, there's room for the kids to play with veggie gardens and chicken pen, but more importantly, Dad out the back, he's covered with sheds and workshop facilities to do what he wants. Come through and have a look at this fantastic acreage lifestyle. Two key features about this property on 2.5 acres is one, it's elevated. Now because it's elevated, it can take in Tabletop Mountain over here, that's an iconic down here at Withcott for viewing. But the actual other thing it can do is it takes in a lot of water on this property and fills up that dam because we're sitting on a ridge. It's a key location and fantastic for positioning for the owners. The other thing too is the key feature on this is that it's open and it's cleared. There's a lot you can do on this property. We've got a veggie garden behind us. We've got this beautiful grassed area, perfect for the swimming pool for the kids. Up the back here is fully enclosed chicken pen. You could run an egg business, it's that big. And behind me here, guys, here we are up here, great workshop facilities. Turn it into a teenage retreat, granny flat, or run your business there because there's plenty of room in the sheds there for all the vehicles. So there you have it, guys, a fantastic 2.5 acre property for you. My family can't wait to see your family down here on site for an inspection soon. Bye for now.